I've got my private mesh cluster watching areas in and around my home. My patio is one of several areas I've got it monitoring. As I walk onto the patio, a Doppler-based motion sensor picks up my presence. Doppler-based motion sensors are invisible to night vision. Without using internet or cell service, my mesh cluster instantly alerts a T-Deck in my basement that someone's on the patio. In this case, the alert was instantly delivered since my T-Deck wasn't too far away. If I was miles away, my cluster would have routed the alert through a more powerful node you can see on the back of my property. It's 1 watt and entirely solar powered. As long as I'm within mesh range, I can have awareness of what's going on at home, even with no cell or internet. Sometimes I want even more range, so some of my devices are also connected to the Blackout Comms cloud. So actually, as long as Starlink is up, I should be able to check on my property and device locations from anywhere, even across the country.